This is for cycle 1, 2, and 3, week 2. This is our timeline song. ASL for 7, so you're gonna touch your ring finger to your thumb. So 7 wonders, and we're gonna point up with both hands, make circles around our head. So the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Then we're gonna say patriarchs, which is father. We sign father, which we touch our thumb to our forehead. Patriarchs of Israel. 2000 BC, 2000 BC, or you can say 2000 BC, 2000 BC. Hittites, fist into our hand. Hittites, Canaanites, we're gonna put a bull, so you're gonna make an ASLY and you're gonna put on your forehead. Hittites, Canaanites. Cush is a K, an ASLK. So just put your thumb in between your two pointer and your middle finger. Assyrians were known for their bow fighting, so we're making our bow. Assyrians. Babylonians were known for their law making, so we're making an L and we're putting it here on our other hand, a law. Babylonians. Then China Shang Dynasty, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna touch our opposite shoulder, touch the shoulder next to it, and then touch our hip. China Shang Dynasty. 7 wonders of the ancient world. Patriarchs of Israel. 2000 BC, 2000 BC. Hittites, Canaanites, Cush, Assyrians, Babylonians, China Shang Dynasty.